Have you ever wondered about the incredible power that lies within your own mind? What if I told you that there's a simple yet effective technique that can help you harness this power to create positive change and growth in your life? That technique is self-hypnosis, and in this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of self-hypnosis and provide you with a practical guide to start your own practice. What exactly is self-hypnosis? Put simply, it's a state of focused attention and heightened suggestibility that allows you to access the deeper parts of your mind. In this state, you can communicate directly with your subconscious, planting positive suggestions and ideas that can help you achieve your goals and overcome challenges. Many people have misconceptions about self-hypnosis, often confusing it with stage hypnosis or believing that it involves losing control. However, self-hypnosis is a safe and natural state that you enter voluntarily. You remain in complete control throughout the process, and you can easily bring yourself out of the hypnotic state whenever you choose. The human mind is a remarkable tool capable of incredible feats of creativity, problem-solving, and personal transformation. Through self-hypnosis, you can tap into this potential and harness the power of your mind to create positive change in your life. Think about a time when you faced a challenge or obstacle that seemed insurmountable. Now, imagine if you could access the inner resources and strength needed to overcome that challenge with ease. That's the kind of potential that self-hypnosis can help you unlock. Before you begin your self-hypnosis practice, it's important to set clear intentions and goals. What do you hope to achieve through self-hypnosis? Whether it's reducing stress, improving self-confidence, or breaking a bad habit, having a specific goal in mind will help you focus your efforts and create more effective suggestions. Creating a conducive environment is also key to successful self-hypnosis. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You might choose to sit in a comfortable chair or lie down on a bed or couch. Ensure that the room is at a comfortable temperature and that you're wearing loose, comfortable clothing. Timing is another important factor to consider. Many people find that practicing self-hypnosis early in the morning or before bed can be particularly effective, as the mind is naturally more receptive during these times. However, the most important thing is to find a time that works best for you and your schedule. One of the cornerstones of self-hypnosis is relaxation. By entering a deeply relaxed state, you create the ideal conditions for your mind to be receptive to positive suggestions and ideas. There are many different relaxation techniques you can use in your self-hypnosis practice. One popular technique is progressive muscle relaxation, which involves systematically tensing and relaxing different muscle groups throughout the body. This helps to release physical tension and promote a sense of deep relaxation. Breathing exercises are another powerful tool for relaxation. By focusing on your breath and breathing deeply and slowly, you can calm your mind and body and enter a state of deep relaxation. A simple breathing exercise might involve inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Once you've entered a deeply relaxed state, the next step is to communicate positive suggestions and ideas to your subconscious mind. The key to crafting effective suggestions is to make them clear, specific, and in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be more confident," you might say, "I am confident and self-assured in all situations." By stating your suggestion in the present tense, you communicate to your subconscious mind that this is already true, helping to make it a reality. Repetition is also an important factor in creating effective suggestions. By repeating your suggestion multiple times, you help to reinforce the idea in your mind and increase its impact. Emotion also plays a key role in the effectiveness of your suggestions. When you infuse your suggestions with positive emotion, such as joy, excitement, or gratitude, you engage your subconscious mind on a deeper level and make your suggestions more powerful. Visualization is another powerful tool in self-hypnosis. By creating vivid and engaging mental imagery, you can help your subconscious mind to experience your desired outcome as if it were already real. If your goal is to improve your public speaking skills, you might visualize yourself standing confidently in front of an audience, delivering your message with clarity and ease. Engage all of your senses in the visualization, imagining how it feels to stand tall and speak with conviction, how your voice sounds as it projects clearly across the room, and how the audience responds with enthusiastic applause. The more detailed and engaging your visualization, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind. Take your time to really immerse yourself in the experience, focusing on the positive emotions and sensations associated with your desired outcome. As with any new skill or practice, you may encounter obstacles or challenges along the way in your self-hypnosis journey. One common challenge is maintaining focus and dealing with distractions. It's normal for your mind to wander occasionally during self-hypnosis, but with practice, you can learn to gently redirect your attention back to your intended focus. If you find yourself getting distracted, simply acknowledge the distraction without judgment, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath or your chosen focus. With time and practice, you'll find it easier to maintain a deep and focused state of relaxation. Another common obstacle is impatience or frustration with the process. It's important to remember that self-hypnosis is a skill that develops over time, and it's natural to have some sessions that feel more effective than others. The key is to approach your practice with patience, persistence, and self-compassion. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each time you practice self-hypnosis, you're strengthening your skills and deepening your ability to access the power of your mind. To truly experience the benefits of self-hypnosis, it's important to make it a regular part of your daily routine. Like any new habit, it may take some time and effort to establish a consistent practice, but the rewards are well worth it. One helpful strategy is to set aside a specific time each day for your self-hypnosis practice. This might be first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or just before bed. Experiment with different times to find what works best for you and your schedule. You might also consider using reminders or triggers to help you remember to practice. This could be as simple as setting a daily alarm on your phone or associating your practice with another daily habit, such as brushing your teeth or drinking your morning coffee. As you continue to practice self-hypnosis regularly, you'll likely find that it becomes easier and more natural over time. You may even start to notice positive changes in your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors outside of your formal practice sessions. The potential applications of self-hypnosis are vast and varied. Whether you're looking to reduce stress and anxiety, boost your self-confidence, break a bad habit, or simply promote a greater sense of overall well-being, self-hypnosis can be a powerful tool for change and growth. If you struggle with stress or anxiety, you might use self-hypnosis to create a sense of inner calm and peace. By repeating positive suggestions, such as "I am calm, relaxed, and at peace," and visualizing yourself handling stressful situations with ease, you can train your mind to respond more positively to stress and cultivate a greater sense of emotional resilience. Similarly, if you're looking to build self-confidence, you might use self-hypnosis to create a more positive self-image and inner dialogue. By repeating affirmations such as "I am capable, confident, and worthy of success," and visualizing yourself handling challenges with ease and self-assurance, you can start to shift your self-perception and build a stronger sense of self-belief. The potential for self-hypnosis in personal growth and development is truly limitless. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships, advance your career, or simply live a more fulfilling and purposeful life, self-hypnosis can help you tap into the power of your mind and create the positive changes you desire. So, now that you have a solid understanding of what self-hypnosis is, how it works, and how to practice it effectively, what's next? The most important thing is to simply get started. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect conditions. Start practicing self-hypnosis today, even if it's just for a few minutes. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and each time you practice, you're strengthening your skills and deepening your ability to access the power of your mind. As you continue on your self-hypnosis journey, be sure to stay open and curious. Explore different techniques and strategies and pay attention to what works best for you. Keep learning and growing, and don't be afraid to seek out additional resources and support when needed. In conclusion, self-hypnosis is a powerful tool for personal change and growth that anyone can learn and benefit from. By harnessing the power of your mind and communicating positive suggestions and ideas to your subconscious, you can create profound and lasting changes in your life. The power to change and grow lies within you. With self-hypnosis, you have the tools and techniques needed to access that power and create the life you truly desire. So what are you waiting for? Start your self-hypnosis practice today and take the first step towards unlocking your full potential. Trust in the power of your mind, stay committed to your practice, and watch as positive changes start to unfold in every area of your life.